Dear young learners, let's learn CVC words with app, app, ag, egg, am, app, egg, am. Let's blend, read and learn CVC words together. CVC words with app sound. K, app, cap. App, map. T, app, tap. N, app, nap. Cap, map, tap, nap. CVC words with ag sound. B, ag, bag. T, ag, tag. W, ag, wag. R, ag, rag. CVC words with am sound. J, am, jam. R, am, ram. H, am, ham. D, am, dam. Dear young learner, let's read all the CVC words together. Cap, map, tap, nap, bag, tag, wag, rag, jam, ram, ham, dam. Now it's your turn to practice by yourself and find more CVC words and write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.